this is a nice sight to see. All the girls, besides one's over there looking for bugs. But all the girls, including Winx, are just taking a dirt bath together. So, this is a good thing. Oh. Rose, you gonna come over and join the party? It's been so dry out that they can actually take a dirt bath. So, that's gonna change though. Tonight we're supposed to get a decent storm. So, yep. Who's making that noise? But, like I said, Winx is doing okay. Besides the brat over there. But, yeah, Winx is doing... She's doing okay. Her vet visit is tomorrow to see how her crop is doing. And if you can't tell already, her feathers are very just not there, her normal feathers, because she is molting in the process of all this. So I feel super bad for her. She had an impacted crop, she didn't feel that well, and she was molting at the same time. So, but she's getting back there. Her voice isn't there yet, which I really do miss. So, and she definitely won't be laying eggs for a while. I'm gonna say for at least probably a month. But you can see her feathers are, a couple of her feathers are broken, but they're still hanging on. So, hope everyone has a good evening.